Did you know that your WhatsApp might be hiding some powerful AI chatbots right under your nose? This isn't science fiction, it's real, and it's already built into your favorite apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to uncover the secret AI chatbots hidden inside of Meta AI, and how you can start using these hidden AI tools to get answers, generate content, and make your chats smarter. Welcome to Highly Practical's YouTube channel, where tech becomes simple and practical. Make sure to subscribe, comment, turn on the bell notification, and share. Let's get started. Open your WhatsApp and click on the Meta AI. Then click on this to get your chat history. After clicking on it, tap on these 4 tiny boxes at the top right corner. And from here, you will get access to all the hidden AI chatbots inside the Meta AI. These AI chatbots are grouped in categories, which includes popular AIs, connection, pop culture, anime, and gaming. So in order to get all the chatbot under these categories, just click on the View All option to access all. And if you want to chat with any of them, just click on the one you like. Then click on this Start Chatting to get started. You can also create your own AI chatbot by clicking on this plus button and input your chatbot's description in this space. Then click on Next for your bot to start creating. And this brings us to the end of this video. Please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Comment, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.